Hello and welcome to the Health Watch Daily channel. In today's video, we're talking about the benefits of cold showers for improved health and mood. Cold showers may seem like a daunting prospect, especially on those cold winter mornings, but they have been shown to have a wide range of positive effects on the body and mind. In this video, we'll take a deeper dive into the science behind cold showers, as well as some practical tips for incorporating them into your daily routine. But before we get started, we wanted to let you know that we have a special bonus for you at the end of this video. So make sure to stay tuned until the very end for some extra motivation and inspiration. Now, without further ado, let's first talk about some of the physical benefits of a cold shower. One of the main physical benefits of cold showers is that they can boost circulation and improve blood flow. When you expose your body to cold water, your blood vessels constrict, which forces blood to flow more efficiently through your body. This can help to improve oxygen delivery to your muscles and organs, and can also help to reduce inflammation. Cold water can also stimulate the production of adrenaline, which can give you a burst of energy and help to improve your overall sense of well-being. Another benefit of cold showers is that they can improve your immune system function. Cold water can stimulate the production of white blood cells, which help to fight off infection and illness. Cold showers may also help to reduce the severity and duration of colds and other respiratory infections. Some research has even suggested that cold water immersion, such as taking a cold plunge or ice bath, can help to reduce muscle soreness and inflammation after exercise. In addition to these physical benefits, cold showers can also have a positive impact on your mental health. Cold water can stimulate the release of endorphins, which are the body's natural feel-good chemicals. This can lead to an improvement in mood and a reduction in stress and anxiety. Cold showers may also help to improve your ability to focus and concentrate, as they can stimulate the production of norepinephrine, a neurotransmitter that plays a role in attention and alertness. Cold water can also increase the production of serotonin, a neurotransmitter that is involved in mood regulation and can help to improve your overall sense of well-being. So, how can you incorporate cold showers into your routine? One option is to start with a warm shower and gradually decrease the temperature as you go. You can also try taking a few short bursts of cold water at the end of your shower, gradually increasing the duration over time. It's important to listen to your body and not push yourself too hard, as cold showers can be intense and may not be suitable for everyone. If you're not quite ready to take the plunge into a full-on cold shower, you can try incorporating other cold water exposure into your routine. For example, you could try splashing your face with cold water in the morning to help wake you up and stimulate your circulation. You could also try ending your workouts with a cold water rinse or dunking your feet in cold water to help reduce inflammation and muscle soreness. It's also important to be mindful of your body's reaction to cold water. If you have any health conditions, such as asthma or Raynaud's disease, you may want to consult with your healthcare provider before trying cold showers. It's also a good idea to start slowly and gradually increase the duration and intensity of your cold showers over time, as your body becomes accustomed to the cold. In conclusion, cold showers have a wide range of potential health benefits, including improved circulation, immune function, and mood. While they may not be for everyone, incorporating cold showers into your daily routine can be a simple and effective way to improve your overall health and well-being. So why not give it a try and see how your body responds? If you're interested in learning more about the benefits of cold showers, be sure to check out the resources in the description below. These may include articles and research studies on the topic, as well as additional tips and strategies for incorporating cold showers into your routine. In addition to cold showers, there are many other practices that can support your health and well-being. For example, regular physical activity and a healthy diet can both play a role in improving your overall health and well-being. Incorporating mindfulness and meditation techniques can also help to reduce stress and improve your mental health. If you're interested in learning more about these topics, be sure to check out our other videos. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips on health and wellness. Our mission is to improve your health and well-being by empowering you to make sustainable lifestyle choices. That's why we've put together a list of some of the best items that can help you achieve your health and wellness goals. We all want to feel good and live a happy and healthy life. But when the day starts, we may feel groggy, with a headache, and feeling bloated. We may feel sluggish and worn out, or struggle with fatigue, brain fog, mood swings, and mental slowness, among other conditions. You can significantly improve your quality of life by checking the resources in the description and choosing the ones that are most suited to your current needs. Join the thousands of people who are experiencing vibrant health and living their best lives. Check the links in the description, and thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more great content. We post new videos every day, so hit that notification bell to make sure you don't miss out. Thanks again, and we'll see you in the next one.